This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. Now, I am a dispute resolver. I actually, on my signature box for my law practice, says attorney, mediator, arbitrator. So I do both mediation and arbitration myself. And I actually had a hearing this morning with an arbitrator handling a case where I'm representing one of the parties. And I am scheduled to represent that same party in a mediation in a couple weeks. So these are, very real techniques. They are designed to avoid litigation. Again, as I mentioned in Chapter 4, litigation, very expensive, very time consuming. So we do recommend that people pursue dispute resolution. So this has become more and more popular. Judges, most cases cannot get to trial unless there has been an attempt to settle the case. So we'll talk about the differences of the two. So why should you compromise? Well, it's tension filled. It's expensive to be involved in a case. It takes a lot of time out of your life. For economic reasons, companies are concerned about their public image. They're also concerned about the cost of litigation. And of course, the lawyers seem to be the only ones who make out on a lot of this stuff because a lot of lawyers get paid by the hour. So here's your definition of mediation. This is slide S7 in chapter 5. Mediation is a third party like myself who listens to both sides and tries to encourage the sides to reach their own agreement. So a mediator does not sit as a judge and jury. In contrast, arbitration is by a neutral third party like myself, but it's like a mini trial where each side does a little bit of discovery, each side presents its case, but the arbitrator actually makes a decision. Now, most arbitration cases are binding arbitration, meaning if you don't like the outcome, it doesn't matter, you agree to go along with it. The alternative is optional arbitration, where you go to arbitration. If you like the award, fine. If you don't like what happened, you can still go to court. And here are some of the reasons for going to arbitration: quicker, less expensive, and I'm not sure about less hostility.